Greetings, my TikTok followers. I come to you with a heavy heart. I don't often come to you and beg you for things. What I mean? But then I'm a happy place, my daughter swing as usual. So I just checked my email a while ago and buck up on some really disappointing news. Now my older or my day one TikTok followers might know that yes, I ventured into the music industry and I am now a recording artist. My newer TikTok followers might just know that I am a teacher of geography. Some of them might not even know that either. You might just know says a old man who love get joke on TikTok. But anyways, here's how you can help. Let me show you this first. So I'm log into my email, checking up on how my song is doing. And I got this bad news. So that's 0 plays, 0 Shazams. Boy, it look like the momentum is now going for my song, it probably die. And I can't make that happen because, the algorithms there, if the song, they stop pushing out to new people and the song just going, And I'm supposed to have new songs coming out, but you don't know how teacher pace there. I have to put that on pause a little bit and then the whole lockdown business, you understand? But so here's how you can help. Hey, if you use streaming services like Spotify or YouTube or any other streaming service, hey, just search for my song, Stutter. It's by SirPlus, you see my name right there. On YouTube it's SirPlus Music, Stutter, Stutter. Just give me a one play, You don't have to play it again till next year, or if you like it like that, you can play it every day and add it to playlist and tell a friend. I know my next 10 pieces of content are just gonna be about my song, so if you come for the comedy and you wonder why you not see comedy, just see me talk about my song, and that I go and I try jumpstart the momentum back on my song. So please, if you can help out your favorite Geo Teacher turned singer. Cool? Stutter by SirPlus. Man. Jump on Spotify, play it, Apple Music, all these. In fact, this is the email I got from Apple Music. 0 plays, 0 Shazams. Boy, that rough for me an idea. Help a teacher out, please. Stutter by SirPlus. The sound is actually gonna be tagged right.